Today, we're making quick and easy Paneer Butter Masala because we're preparing it in a pressure cooker. Paneer Butter Masala is a dish that everyone loves, but usually we just order it from a restaurant, so I have brought a quick solution for this. So first, we'll prepare the gravy for this. For that, I'm taking a pressure cooker, and into it, we'll add 2 medium-sized onions and 5 to 6 tomatoes. There's no need to chop everything finely, because we'll give it 2 whistles in the cooker and then blend it in the mixer. Along with that, we'll add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, some whole dried red chilies, these are Kashmiri chilies. Add those as well, a small piece of ginger, and a little bit of cumin seeds. Now I've taken some pieces of cashew nuts. Generally, when making this gravy, you can easily use cashew pieces. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of melon seeds, but you can skip them if you want and just add cashews. And now lastly, we'll add a little salt and red chili powder. I'm taking 2 teaspoons. Now we'll add about half a cup of water and then cook it until we get 2 whistles. And now we'll put the lid on. Let's open this once. And now we'll let this mixture cool down. After that, we'll blend it until it's completely smooth. Okay, now we'll blend this mixture until it's smooth. See, the gravy is blended very smoothly and is ready. Now let's prepare the tempering for the curry. First, I'll take a little oil in a pan, approximately 2 teaspoons. I'm making this curry for 4 to 5 people, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. If you're making it for 2 people, keep the quantity half. Right now, I've kept the gas flame very low, and as soon as the butter melts on low flame, we'll add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Instead of garam masala, you can use Kitchen King masala or any other masala you like. Along with that, I'll also add a little Kasuri methi. Kasuri methi gives a very nice aroma to the curry. You can see that the spices are slightly cooked. I've still kept the gas flame very low. Now, at this point, we'll add the gravy that we prepared earlier. Let's mix the spices and the gravy together well once. Now we need to let this gravy boil, but if you find the gravy too thick at this stage, you can add a little milk to adjust the consistency. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to this gravy. If you want, you can also use honey, because Paneer Butter Masala is slightly sweet. And along with that, let's adjust the salt a little as well. Remember, we already added some salt when we pressure cooked it earlier. And now, we'll just cover it and let the gravy cook for 5 minutes. Let's check the gravy once on medium to high flame. The gravy has come to a boil, and this is the time when we'll add it. I'm taking 350 grams of paneer here, cut into cubes. After adding the paneer, we'll just let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes at the end, and then we'll turn off the heat. All right, the sabzi is cooked. Let's add the final touches. Add the slit green chilies and a little bit of cilantro. The sabzi is ready and I've turned off the heat. Now, at the end, I'm adding 2 spoons of cream. You can skip this step if you want. Let's serve the hot paneer butter masala. Now, for the final garnish, I'm drizzling a little more cream on top. If you want, you can just garnish with cilantro. There you go, the super delicious Paneer Butter Masala, which I made in a pressure cooker, is ready in no time. The presentation is so tempting and it's so creamy too. After trying this quick recipe, you won't feel like ordering from outside at all.